In this video I'm looking to change the air filter on the Alfa Romeo Giulietta. Now this is probably the most awkward air filter to change because it needs to come out from the bottom of the car and you need to remove the whole under tray, or at least partially disconnect and lower it so that you can get to the air filter itself, and it comes out from the bottom. Every other car I've worked on, it's somewhere under the bonnet, it's easy to get to, but not on this one. After you've lifted the car a little bit, I don't think it needs to be too high up in the air, but as long as you can see underneath it, there's this pop plastic rivet here, and then some Torx bits all the way along. Only get undo Torx screws, as many as you need to be able to lower this down, and then there's going to be 3 more Torx on the bottom cover of the air filter, and then the air filter comes down. So the under tray is just hanging down here. There's actually some M7 bolts. I thought there'd be Torx, but they're just M7 bolts. There's 3 of them, so I'll be removing them and then taking the air filter out. So this is the old dirty filter out. Put a new one here. So this is gonna go in next. There's the new filter in. It just about stays in there, but you need to put the cover back on. So reassembly is the opposite of disassembly, so I'll just be fitting back all the bolts and then we'll be done.